Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today ngifuna nje sikhulume ngodaba olutrendayo like iMorumba Pitch group yamapiano esithanda kakhulu. Amajita kuthiwa decide ukusplitter. So iMorumba Pitch mina first time ngiqala ukuyibona, ngiqala ukuzwa ngayo. Khona inkonto beyenziwe na khona amajita lawa seJuice Awu2 ama-Hot Money, Malums on Deck. So khona ingoma bebeyenzile. I think it was around about 2019 or 2020. So ngiqale lapho ukufollow iMorumba Pitch and ngiqala ukubabona stage, ngiqala ukubabona ku-First Step and Rock sango-2023. So nje into yabo bimnandi kakhulu abalalela studio, wababona beperforma i-stage like into yabo bihlangene kakhulu. So nje ama-rumors lawa, not even ama-rumors because kune-statement. So indaba lezo ukuthi basplitter zingikhuluma because mina ngifeni. Abantu abalandela le channel bazokhumbula lezi reaction engiyenzile last year. I think beqala uJanuary because bake bakhipha album qala uJanuary ibizwa ngesidalo. Na later last year khona i-review engiyenzile because bebekhipha album impi la benze khona bengase album kuyi-EP bekade inomthunzi nje noso wabo. So na bekade ngireactile yona and ngumuntu oyifeni kakhulu eBig iMorumba Pitch and beside ukuba i-group benza music khona ama-business ade sebewenzile esayidini. Ngiyakhumbula befike eMthatha last year ngoMarch bekukhona i-birthday yade khona la ka-DJ omunye waseMthatha uDJ Misty. So iMorumba Pitch ibikhona, I think it was 1 March e-Ivory laphana. So ngangikhona kulo event nakhona ngayibona. So khona i-protection company ade sebeyenzile like i-VIP protection company. So amajita besephushile ebuilda ilegacy yawo, asazi kwenzakaleni noma i-ego noma imali noma baxatsheniswa abantwana. But yo, I know indaba zeMorumba Pitch I think zingihetha more than eze-Black Motion because amajita abesekuphike like i-Black Motion the time splitter umlilo wabo busuvele suphansi nabo. So iMorumba Pitch no bangiphula umoya but amajita akasazama ukulwa ngama-lawyers. Maybe bazozama ukuthi ke beyithola indlela yokuxazulisana nokusebenzisana but makuyiwa phambili I think umuntu ozosafarisha kakhulu lo mjito kade u-DJ uphinde ube-producer because lo munye vele ubeyiface uMorumba Pitch. Abantu abaningi they don't even know ukuthi iMorumba Pitch group because bazi this guy ude vocalist. So I think lo munye uzoba nzima kakhulu moving forward yena because yena into yakhe i-production baningi o-producer abakhona abadope kuma-piano. So the other guy usengakwazi ukuthi ephinde ebizo Kabza ebizo ubani but into ezomshaya nayo i-rebranding. Uma uthi igama alizokuhamba namuntu la kuzomele beliqale bobabili bazovele beqhamuka bebe namagama amasha. So bafana nabantu abama-upcoming artists. So kuzoba nzima kulelo side but nje music abawenzile like ilegacy yabo majita. I think eMzansi sinenkinga esirasa ama-group amaningi ahlukana. So mase ku-celebrate abo 10 years asibe sakwazi ukusiphinde sibe naloma event noma ama-concert loku-celebrate u-10 years album yaphuma because amajita wasazwanda ukuthi yagesi obani asikwazi ukwenza ama-celebration. So I think lento mase kuhamba isikhathi iphinde ibe bad kwi-culture because asibe sakwazi ukubula si-reflect sibona ama-legend ethu into ayiqalile la because babulalwa ego. So yeah, Speaker Nawe nje hayi iMorumba Pitch bafethu siphatheke kabi but-ke music usekhona. Sohlala khona lapha ku-iTunes silalela umusic abomdala because I know hayi bayenzile inamba lamajita lawana and bengithi lento yabo because abantu abaningi bebecritic isaqala iMorumba Pitch bethi lo mjito usebenzisa kakhulu auto-tune. So nami ngangithi masephuma stage maybe ayizokufana lento yakhe hayi but no, even ubabukile stage like babeperform into yabo bihlelekile bebeyenza lamajita into yabo. I think ilegacy yabo ne-run yabo ayibedope kakhulu but nje indaba ke izinto uthiwa basplitter amajita asedecidile and into engixaka kakhulu akhipha i-album ngoDisemba asasplitter ngaphina no-3 months umnyaka omusha. But I think into ebangwa nje laphana yimali because ama-booking abese on besabgiga kakhulu. So Speaker Nawe sifuna ukudlulisa nje lokho ngeMorumba Pitch. Anyway sekhona ku-YouTube, Instagram naku-Twitter Speaker Nawe awe.